What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, but today's video is going to be different than the usual ones. I'm usually fixing something, building something, destroying something, whatever it is. But today is going to be the first of many car shows that I'm going to this year. And I've gone to like 3 or 4 already with this car. Just haven't ever recorded them because I'll get midway through and not want to. But starting today, I'm going to start posting all the car shows that we go to. And this is the first one. We are heading to Vegas for a quick little day mission. We're leaving right now. It's 8 a.m., almost 9 a.m. We're gonna get there around 1 or 2, pull in. The meet starts at 3, ends at 9, and we're pulling out of Vegas at 9 just because it's kind of complicated to stay there this weekend. We got too many things going on. But this event is gonna be huge, so I couldn't miss it. But the event's called Import Expo. Well, it's hosted by Import Expo and Elite Tuner, and it's called Las Vegas Auto Salon. And they personally DM'd me and messaged me out, and I told them I wouldn't be able to make it. Push come to shove, the week before, I kept seeing everybody posting about it, and I couldn't miss this one. So that's why we're doing a day mission. We're gonna try and knock it out, come back. It's gonna be a hell of a day, but we'll take you guys along with us. Out here exactly on time at 1:45, and they were starting to close the doors a little bit early, but we got in, got the car cleaned up, ready to go, ready to show it off to everybody. There's some crazy ass cars here. They're really sick cars. It's not, some of them aren't fully built, they're just kind of like wrapped and customized and everything, but honestly there's some sexy cars out here. So I'm gonna start walking around, show you guys a little tour, and just fast forward through most of it, but at least you guys will get to see everything here. some information on the show right now.
With the Elite Tuner booth, which is located... Yo, it's a push-up contest, by the way.
You called it.
You can do that. All right, so listen. You cannot stop more than 1 second, okay? The person that lasts the longest wins. All right? So slow and steady usually wins the race. Are you guys ready? Get on your marks. You're gonna do push-up, puppy? Oh, you got a back shoulder. So you out? All right, we got 150. You're out. All right. Go ahead, hop in. Go ahead, hop in. All right, hold on. Don't give it a second. We got 2 people. No, you guys can stay in your position. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. The first person that stops or hesitates loses. Who's gonna be the first one? You cannot stop for more than 1 second. Oh, he's doing it with his fist, Poppy. That's a 50-year-old big guy right there. You gotta go all the way down. One's folded, 2 folded. All right, the guy in the white stopped more than 1 second. All right, you're good. All right, keep going. Up. Come on. Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh. Yo, he stopped. He's about to get a heart attack. Please stop him. All right. You know what? Hold on. He won, but he earns the respect. So give him a round of applause because he did it with his knuckles. So come on, you. All right, you ready? You don't even know what song it is. Hold on. The song is about to start, and you're gonna have to do this in front of everybody. Everybody get their phone out, please. Go. Your lips gotta actually start moving, bro. Where you at, Bree? All right, you ready? You gotta move your lips, bro. I knew it. Oh my God. Okay. All right. She said, I gotta think of some clothes for this one. Hold on a second. This can't be happening on stage. Let's give it up to contestant number 2. Contestant number 1.
So those events on stage were crazy, but they got us hyped and they got us going. And instead of being bored, they entertained us. But a lot of these cars are catching my eye and getting my attention. These are some crazy ass builds. I always love the cars that Team Hybrid brings out because their team just has a wide variety of cars and they're all souped out to crazy extent. That's why they're always taking home the team awards and bringing the craziest builds out here to entertain everybody. But let me go ahead and show you guys a couple of them, including Beefy's RCF. And he is working on some crazy paint job on it right now. He's engraving his design into the body, into the bare metal of the car. Take a look at all these different cars. I mean, I'm telling you, their team has every kind of car, every genre you can think of. Look at this Challenger right here. Completely decked out, all of their cars, even in the engine bay, every single little detail you can think of. And here's Beefy's RCF that I was telling you guys about. He's working on the crazy design. He's not completely done with it, but slowly working on getting his design done to the car. Trying not to report too much, so this video's not too long and saving it for the events, but there's a car I gotta show you guys. This crazy guy's got live fish in his car. Check this crazy shit out. There are fish swimming in his trunk, man. He's got a pump feeding water back. I have no idea what category he's going for, but he's definitely gonna win it. If we go into war with Russia, this is what I'm trying to mob in right now. Give me an Audi R8 and I'll be good. I got you guys. All right, guys, we're winding down the night, and it's almost time for the trophies and the Toyo tire giveaway. I'm running out of storage. I'm running out of battery, so it's gonna cut it real short. Kind of end it right now and just record the awards at the end. There's all the awards. Hoping to take one home. Make this long ass drive worth it.
All participants, please. Everybody still have their cars in their car for a reason, because we wasn't gonna take the people that won, so they could know that they won. So we just wrote it down in this document that they gave me. So let's go over the winners. Third place, Seed.
This drive was worth it. Walked away with third place. At least it's something, to be honest. They separated the RCFs and the Lexus, so got best of RCF, third place. Beefy got second, Dana got first. But at least we got a category and they didn't not recognize us this time. So I'm glad to get something, made the drive worth it. Now we're heading back right away. Probably gonna get home around 1 a.m., but nice meet.